Thug life. Chad's a bad boy.
I gotta put this flag here. Dude, these are my volleyball shoes. Oh, let's go! Woo! Beast it! We got beast!
Well, how'd Jigger not get mud?
We made it all that way.
Fuck, man, I hella mud. We should've went their way.
Yeah, we used the bushes. Alright, this is our flag.
We used a stable mud.
We made it to the other side. Our journey. We started from there, the little tunnel place.
I
made it all the way
I
here.
made it, son. Woo!
Chad, he's crying like a boy.
Hey, so when are we gonna climb Mount Everest?
Hold up, I got empty out this shot. Damn.
I'm tired. I need a break. Holy crap!
What?
We're going back to Matt's house. I mean, Justin's house.
Why?
You fucking for real?
What? That's the same way going back. Just make it dirtier, Chad. Doesn't matter.
My sock got wet.
So what?
Alright, ready to go.
Alright, Thug Life.
What the hell? The battery's already gone again? Wow. Go ahead. Woo. Oh, he made it from here. Hurry up, Matt.
Matt.
Matt, hurry up. You still.
Go.
Yeah, mine's up to there.
Hey, you fall, it's over. Go.
I know, it is over. What the fuck?
Let's do a double jump.
Go! Oh! Hey, what about me? Alright, here I go.
No, hell no, you're stupid.
Hey, they're right there.
We beat them, bitches! Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
We made it!
Oh, shit.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, bitches!
We would have beat you if we ran. We would have beat you if Matt didn't have to pee.
We're thugs, baby!
Yeah, but see, if we ran, we were already on the bridge and you got the
Recording here.
You were looking?
Recording.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is a stupid journey.
Holy crap. You know, we have to walk like 3 miles.
Hey, boy. We went under this freaking bridge.
Run deep.
Middle side, man.
I
I freaking ran.
Here we go. Any comments on this journey?
This is gay. I fucking hit my
He fell on the water. But it was caught the first time.
And we are out. Peace.
Say I started to my beat. Say, I got my G-Star boys with me, you dig? Prince Charming and my boy Sleep. We got this